Today on TLDR from GeekWire, Twitter suspends more than 1 million accounts for terrorist content. Amazon will open the spheres to the public. And should kids use VR? From GeekWire, it's TLDR, your daily rundown on all things tech. Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Our first story today is about Twitter. The company announced that since August 2015, 1.2 million accounts have been suspended for promoting terrorism. Twitter made the announcement as part of the platform's commitment to build transparency. In the past, Twitter has been criticized for not cracking down on toxic content, ranging from terrorism to sexual harassment. In other news, a big change for Amazon's new Seattle landmark. The company has decided to open the spheres to the public 2 Saturdays a month starting April 21st. GeekWire was there when Jeff Bezos officially opened the glass domes back in January. But for the most part, the spheres were meant to be a plant-filled oasis for employees to enjoy. But Amazon is turning over a new leaf, see what we did there, by allowing members of the public to have unguided access. Amazon just asks that you not touch the plants. And while the company is known for being dog-friendly, visitors aren't allowed to bring pets inside the spheres unless they're service animals.
What do you think of the spheres? Pretty cool, huh?
You can reserve a spot 30 days in advance on the Sphere's website, and as of this afternoon, all spots are filled for the 21st. And finally, let's talk about kids using virtual reality. I remember when I was growing up, my mom would always warn me about sitting too close to the TV. And fast forward to 2018, and here we are. Not only are kids carrying screens in their pockets all day, but they also sometimes have them attached directly in front of their eyes. And now a nonprofit called Common Sense Media has released a report on kids' use of VR. In a survey of families with kids under 18, it found that 62% of parents believe that VR will provide educational experiences for their kids. The nonprofit also released some tips for parents on how kids can use VR responsibly. They included focusing on educational VR content, moving furniture out of the way, and sticking to shorter sessions. Nausea, dizziness, and anxiety are all signs that you should take a break. On that note, here's a clip of GeekWire's John Cook at CES looking like he could probably use a break.
I am gonna throw up.
Here at GeekWire, we're really excited to announce that TLDR is now available on Amazon Alexa devices. Just go to the settings in your Alexa app, select Flash Briefing, search for GeekWire TLDR, and add us to hear the show every day when you ask your Echo or other Alexa device for your Flash Briefing. Well, that's all we have for today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss an episode. I'm Starla Sampaco. Thanks for watching TLDR. See you tomorrow.